Okay, question 28 then. A circle has a diameter 10 centimetres, a square has a side length of 6. Use Pythagoras' theorem, so that's a nice keep it there, Pythagoras' theorem, to show that the square will fit inside the circle without touching the edge of the circle. So it's no point looking here and going, right, 6 fits inside there, that's perfect. What we should know is the longest is going to be the diagonal there. So what we've got is a little triangle, 6 this way and 6 this way because it's a square, and we need to find how long that length is there, and the clue is in Pythagoras' theorem. So first thing I'll write down is Pythagoras' theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where a and b are the two shorter sides. So if we're going to do that, a and b are the two shorter sides, c is the longest side, opposite the right angle. So that will give us our diagonal there. So if I can work out what that length is, I would know if it would fit inside. So A would be 6, so 6 squared. B would be 6, so 6 squared would equal C squared. 6 squared is just 36. That would be twice. And I need to add those two together to work out what C squared is. So 36 and 36, you can just add them up like that if you want, or just double it. So that's going to give me 72 equals c squared. Therefore my final little thing to do, once we know what c squared is, I need to square root to get c on its own. So that will be the square root of 72 equals c. So I need to now show that root 72 is going to fit in that 10 centimetres. So I can just think about what I know. Some square roots I should know that are close to 72. So square roots we know are whole numbers and nice square numbers that we can think of. So for example, 36 is a square number, 6 times 6, 7 times 7, 49 is a square number, 8 times 8, 64. These are all the numbers that I can square root. So for example, the square root of 64 is 8. Because 8 eighths is 64. The next square number after 64 is 9 times 9, which is 81. The square root of 81 is 9. So what I know is root 72 is less than 10. I can see that from a calculation there, and I can see it because root 72 is somewhere between root 64 and root 81. So root 72 is about 8 point something. So root 72 is less than 10. And that's it for 3 marks.